I work for CSIRO, well known in Australia for its innovation in science and technology for the benefit of Australia. We have about 6,500 people across Australia working to improve productivity, science, well-being, lifestyle factors, economic factors for Australian citizens.
The Bureau of Meteorology is Australia's weather, climate and water agency, and our vision is really to provide environmental intelligence to all Australians for safety, prosperity and well-being. And as part of that we need to develop systems to provide access to environmental information and data across a wide number of different areas. So linked data is a brand new innovation that's taking off internationally, and it really provides us for the first time a common way to be able to integrate data across all sectors of government and in a common way. So we can now for the first time integrate environmental data with statistical data, with demographic data, and this example website that we've put together in this data set is the first time Australian government has published linked data, and provides access to Australia's climate record, a long time series of temperature records from around Australia, and that's now available for anyone to be able to mash up, to integrate with other data sets and to incorporate into value-added applications. So it's a real new innovation that demonstrates this new technology to be able to integrate and access government data without boundaries. Winning this award really validates our approach on this project. It was quite an innovative project and approach, first of Australian government linked data available through data.gov.au. So it shows that this is an approach that has real potential. It also solidifies our role at the Bureau of Meteorology as a leading innovator across government, Australian government, in providing access to public sector data.
I think this is a very exciting time to be involved in researching data integration, because this semantic web concept as a research area has really only come together over the last 10 years, and now we're starting to see really real practical solutions coming out of that. And I think what we've done with this linked data project with the Bureau of Meteorology demonstrates that exactly. And I think you'll see a whole lot more of this coming along in the next 10 years. Hopefully a lot of it coming out of government, so you'll see citizen access to government data being very, very nicely facilitated, with lots of advantages for small growth of small industries, and also public access to information that, broadly speaking, the public has paid for its assembly in the first place, and being built into innovative new things. For the semantic web as a whole, I think we're really looking forward to growth all over the world, and this is not just about government, it's about very many science areas as well that are looking to this technology to improve dramatically and scale up dramatically the data management involved in doing scientific discovery, and we're very active in that area as well, and I think we're just starting to see results there too. So I think it's very exciting. In October, 21 to 25 in October, the major international research conference in this space, the International Semantic Web Conference, is coming to Sydney. So it's very exciting for Australia to be hosting that and to be at the front of the world at that period of time associated with the work in this project. Very, very, very exciting for us.